Scene 1, Introduction. What is Thanksgiving?
Inglês básico.
WH questions with be going to.
Thanksgiving.
Dia de Ação de Graças.
Thanksgiving is a very important holiday in the USA.
Nesse dia os americanos agradecem.
Thank. Tudo que Deus dá.
Give.
A eles. Uma das coisas que eles agradecem é a colheita, então.
A Thanksgiving dinner.
Tem muitas comidas diferentes.
People from all religions celebrate Thanksgiving. First Thanksgiving dinner in 1621. British colonists in the USA had dinner with some indigenous people. Thanksgiving dinner nowadays. Americans celebrate Thanksgiving on the fourth Thursday in November. In 2023. November 23rd. In 2024, Americans are gonna celebrate Thanksgiving on November 28th. In 2025, Americans are gonna celebrate Thanksgiving on November 27th. Scene 2, New York City. 1 week before Thanksgiving.
Do you want to celebrate Thanksgiving with me and Jennifer?
I want to, but I can't. I already have plans.
Eu já tenho planos.
I already have plans. What are you going to do? What are you gonna do?
Remember that a gonna is the contraction of a going to.
What are you going to do? What are you gonna do? My family is gonna have a big dinner together. Some family members from China are gonna come here to the USA.
Oh, who's gonna come?
2 cousins from China are gonna come. And who are they gonna come with? They are gonna come with their parents.
Há dois tipos de pergunta com
Who?
sem sujeito.
Who is going to come?
Quem irá vir? Quem vai vir aqui nos Estados Unidos?
Notice the structure of the question. Who is gonna come? Who? Plus verb to be. Plus gonna or going to. Plus verb.
Com sujeito.
Who are they gonna come with?
Com quem eles virão?
Notice the structure of the question. Who are they gonna come with? Who? Plus verb to be. Plus subject. Plus gonna or going to. Plus verb. Plus with.
How are they going to come here? They are gonna come by airplane.
Are there any direct flights from China to New York? Existem voos diretos da China para Nova York? Are there any direct flights from China to New York?
Yes, there are, but only 3 days a week. My cousins are not gonna get a direct flight.
How are they gonna come here?
They are gonna take a plane from Beijing, China to London, England. And after they are gonna take a plane from London to New York. And when are they going to get here?
E quando eles vão chegar aqui?
And when are they going to get here? They are gonna get here next Saturday.
Oh, nice. So they're gonna get here some days before Thanksgiving.
And what time are they gonna get here? They are gonna get here Saturday at 10 p.m.
Questions with what, how, when, and a what time in the future would be going to. What are you gonna do?
O que você vai fazer?
How are they gonna come here?
Como eles vão vir para cá?
When are they gonna get here?
Quando eles irão chegar aqui?
What time are they gonna get here?
Que horas eles irão chegar aqui?
Notice the structure of the question. What are you gonna do? How are they gonna come here? When are they going to get here? What time are they gonna get here? WH word. Plus be. Plus subject. Plus gonna or going to. Plus verb.
And what are you gonna do? We are all gonna celebrate dinner together in Nicholas' house. Who is gonna be there?
Quem vai estar lá, na festa na casa do Nicholas?
Who is gonna be there? My family, Sylvia's family, and other neighbors are gonna be there.
Yes, including my uncle, my aunt, and my cousin from Florida.
Uncle.
Tio.
Aunt.
Tia.
Cousin.
Primo ou prima.
And when are they going to come?
Well, they're not all gonna come together. My cousin Isabella is gonna come first.
When is she gonna come?
She's gonna come here next week. She's on vacation, so she's gonna stay here for 1 month.
And your uncle and aunt? When are they gonna come?
They're gonna come here only on Thanksgiving.
Why are they gonna come here only on Thanksgiving?
Because they're not gonna take a vacation. They're gonna work.
And how are they gonna get here?
They're gonna get here by a plane.